Hi, welcome to Health Graph EHR software. So now I would like to demonstrate you the EHR product. So this is basically a cloud-based software. You need to access this link in a Chrome browser or any browser that you are using. And once you hit enter on this link, it will take you to the login page of EHR where you need to enter the details like login ID and password, and then say login. So right now what I am doing is I am logging in as a reception user. So where I will be showing you quickly how receptions can register a patient and then do the billings and all, right? So as you can see, there are other modules available as well, like OPD, IPD, OT, stores, but right now I will be focusing on OPD module. And other modules of course there are, but you can reach out to us personally if you would like to know about the other module as well. So I can add a patient using this button here called add. So as soon as you click on it, it will ask you whether you want to search or add a patient. So right now I'm adding a new patient. Let's say this is a patient name and mobile number I am capturing here. So there are other details also you can capture, like primary other details like patient type and all the details. And once this is captured, you can say create an appointment. So the patient will be registered in a system. As you can see, the patient is in a not arrived tab. I can do the billing now. Let's say after the patient has arrived to the hospital physically. Say again, once you mark this again the configurable, what you can configure, like if you don't want, you can disable it. That won't ask you again to assign a token number and all. So now I can do the billing here by using this option. Like there are two ways of billing you can do, like credit and cash, all the things all possible. And then I can set up the mode of payment and then say save. Again, you can take a print or send an email to the patients. This again and hand over to the patient, right? So from here I can send a patient. Once the workup is done, I can send a patient to any user, whichever user is appropriate user. Let's say it can be Optum, doctor, or any user. So while sending also, it will indicate you the user availability and the user, like how many patients are engaged with this patient, like user, right? So right now I am sending in this patient to Optum 1, and I log in as a Optum now by logging out from the other user account. So you don't need to do this because you have already logged in as a one user. So as I am role playing all the user, I need to do that to just show you. And I can see here the patient is in my queue. As you can see, the patient was arrived, then he was with the reception, then the patient is sent to Optum after doing the billing. As you can see, the history is available. So the optometrist straight away can go to template details and then create a templates or capture a records, whatever he wants to capture. As you can see, the capturing information is very easy. You just need to click here. As you can see, I have just captured information called general checkup. The patient routine was general checkup or routine checkup or anything that you want to capture. And again, anyways, the text box is available for capturing any comments. And I can capture similarly cheap complaints like blaring or dimensions of visions are there, like the durations, and I can capture like this. Again, you can capture multiple cheap complaints. There's no restrictions at all, right? Anyways, the comment box is available, like all these things you can capture, like ophthalmic history, systematic history, right? Capturing information is very easier here. You just need to click, that's it. Similarly, once that is done, you can go to refraction part. Again, in refraction also, as you can see, there is nothing to write. You just need to click on a appropriate or suitable value that you want to capture and then say save, right? Similarly, you can capture IOP, auto refraction, dry refractions, and dilated and multiple PGP capturing option is available. You can see you can capture up to 3 PGPs, right? And glass prescriptions, retinoscopy, amsler grading, keratometer, all those things of options are available, right? And then you move to examinations. So optometrist is also allowed to do examination in this software. We have given an option. If you are allowed to do, you can do, else you can just say save summary, and the summary preview will be shown to you like this. Whatever the information that you have captured, it will be shown in this way. And once the optometrist workup is done, they can send to a next user. So basically you can send digitally your here and then tell patient orally to visit to the next doctor, or room number you can mention, right? As you can see, there is I am sending to this patient right now, this patient to this doctor. So I will log out from the Optum now, and I will log in as a doctor user, where I can show you how doctors can do their workup and all, right? So this is a patient. I can see, and I'll say I can open any templates that are available here, right? Like pediatrics, post op, quick eye, and all those things. As you can see here, the whatever the optometrist has done the workup or captured the information is by defaultly flowing into the doctor ID. So doctor can just quickly check that and move to the next tab. Might be examination, or they can also go to the like investigations. Any tab they have an option to do that. So in examination, let's say there are some things in appendages, so you need to click on this plus button, so it will open up the respective difficulties or problems that the patient is facing. And if you want to do some fundus and all, there are options are available. Let's say you want to add a fundus diagram, then you have an option here to do all those things. You can even give an comment, like anything you want to write, you can write. You do the coloring and all options are available, right? Like this. And then once this is done, you can go to investigations. So investigations, again we have given an option to make a set, or you can also advise the individual investigation. Let's say cornea, in cornea there are ASOCT you want to advise, or you can make a set. Let's say in glaucoma, a set of set, like you can make like this on in a one click, all the glaucoma related set will appear like this. And same is true for other investigation as well. And then you have an option of diagnosis here, so you can advise even provisional diagnosis, or again from the most commonly used diagnosis, these are which we have listed here. But anyways, you have an search bar of where it includes 90 plus K ICD diagnosis library. Say any diagnosis they want to advise, you can advise from here. So all are ICD-10 database, right? And same, then you can go to advise. In advise also you have an option to advise individually like this, or you can make anything that you want to make a set, let's say glaucoma set or any set you want to make, you can make. And again you have an option of tapering, right? You can taper it by frequency, by dosage, and all those kind of shit you can do. Again procedure you can advise, right? Let's say any glaucoma procedure or anything you want to advise, bilateral and referral and advise, and all those kind of options are available. Again if you want to call up patient for follow up and all, you can do this all things. Again reservation chart is available, like for which date what all the appointments already have been taken. So this showing for today's appointment, but you can again, if any date that you want to choose here, let's say it will show for that date. As you can see, it's clear enough. And then I'll say any instruction I want to select, I want to advise for the patient, you can say. Again these are all the customizable, you can make a set and all those things you can do this. And this is basically the OPD workup that you have right now, that we have done, right? You can again translate to any language that you want to translate, right? And you can choose the thing what you want to print or what you want to exclude in the print, like this. And also this is basically a OPD workup. There are lot many things to know about the product, and if you are like really interested, and or if you are interested, you just reach out to us. The support number is like mentioned in the description. And I just like to show you how a few more things, like all the customizations are available here using these options, like organization setup, where you can control your entire organization in this settings. All those settings like enable accreditations and all those things are available. And clinical settings, all these things are possible here. And then quickly you can also do the some reports analytics and all, like finance reports analytics is available. You have an option to check whatever date you want to check. And then we have an finance report as well, like all these reports are available. Billing, all these things are available, you can see here, right? Billing statistic, billing summary, and all kind of reports is available in finance. And then also we have a clinical reports. So as you can see, the clinical report is available, the patient type wise, date wise. Example, let's say I want to see the facility wise in case of multiple facilities, so it will show this way. And it is a today's patient. So if you want to check all any let's say previous year, you just say click on that thing, and it will show individual facility wise the data, like how many were not arrived, how many were completed, incomplete, dilated, all kind of data you have here, right? So this was just a quick overview of EHR software. There are lot many things to know. If you are really interested, you can definitely reach out to us, or the number is provided in a description. Also you can drop a mail where we can like have a detailed demonstration and individual one-to-one question and answering session. So looking forward to hearing from you, and thank you very much for your time and listening to this video.